abasaba phisa show like if hey nayibathusa and mina like yangizuza yo angithandi nje into nepolice but mina ngifila ngathi nje
once wena wayenze action ungathi ukhipha something bakudubula because why you protecting yourself
so mina mama self defense khona ne self defense mara
detective uyabribe uthi lethanda lo sisilo ukuthi nginganibophi lethana ama 1000 yonke and ngobona bayathuka abantu abadala ke babanika imali le iphelela lapho kuleyo case then uyayidla lo mali
like mawuthi xa ubona type yakho ayibo
ubona type yakho
uyahamba weloyo
mawuthi xa
uyayishake mawuthi uyayishake mawusathi uyaconcentrate like umntwana we 7 years old ngayimela lokuthi bathi bamrepile bese bathi uoperatiwe umuntu engimazi like guys so guys justice must be served for Cwecwe.
It must be served
for sensation for experience rape.
Hey guys, Kasike Stories AW.
Yeah.
Shop. So guys, I go by the name Opie O'Brien. Shop.
Hey guys, what's popping? It's your girl Swoosh Mamizi ipodlela lakho la Estropes. Mnandi njengayo bonga bimnandi mina ngeba mnandi bani.
Hey banyana ke awuswalona awusnele on the block the dopest of the ropest.
Yeah.
Shop. So guys, today we're going to speak about Nelly on the block.
Nelly on the what?
Nelly on the block.
The dopest of
the ropest.
You know,
the baddest.
The baddest, everything, Jay. You know, Nelly.
The baddest.
Is the coolest, the baddest, the dopest of the ropest.
So we're going to talk about Nelly on the block.
31.
Nelly, the trendsetter, everything. Bonang mateba, yung kinto yang ngwanyana wa strata, you know. So we're going to speak about the 31st. The ngwanyana ugrooving a free hand, guys. Uthi this year ufuna ukunyusa ama socks. Manje sifuna ukuzwa ama socks la ufuna ukusinyusa wona.
Guys, like yazine kunezinye izinto like esangishilo le yabona yo free hand angiyithandi guys ungadli Christmas nge-free hand New Year nge-free hand
hayibo
bazokuthatha kanje istabane esichipless
zap
idabane guys this December ngiphathele something new ngizoniseva ngesilver platter ngizoyibona nani it's something different man ayikhona noma ubani ngiyishaya man
ayikhona noma ubani
if angiqini 22 inch I'm coming for you Charlie
okay
hayi babies azingivali
hayi this keep alentona iphone sesibani ipop izini ja
inkinga thula inkinga manje like ikhanda la yabona like lena magunga la so like ngiyavala manje
uyizangoma manje
ayabona mathwasa lama pizza khona
khuru ufake lawa red nawa white
chomi vale tiny bedala yo
okay so guys nimzilunile ukuthi nge-31st zakhe nje like
honestly
so
what happened
guys honestly speaking 31st was nice, but then Baypor. Guys, you tell me Baypor.
Hi Baypor.
Guys, ngeke enjoy because yazibuhle yini. Guys, ungaba muhle empahleni, ungaba muhle kuphi ikhanda yilo elichaza umuntu guys. Like ungaba muhle, ugqoke i-outfit abantu abasakunaki outfit. Bafuna ukubona this guys ungaba mhle yo i-free hand
angeke
i-friend guys iqhinwa uma uye esikolweni iqhinwa nje uma uye esikolweni
so wena why udle i-interest friend
chom also like kuza ngitshele ne i-plan yami bengifuna uqhina enye dress sone enama like bayibiza distressed locks
ngafungathuma
lawa nama curl ama-dress ama-curl like afana nama-goddess braids but then niyalazi idlozi lemali niyalazi idlozi lemali alidlali phela malithi no imali mayingekho guys ayikho so akeke phela ngiforce ngithi yini ngizogqoka ngizofaka ngibele nje prove ngalokho nginakho
okay
get my chum
okay so i-31st yakho nje benjani
it was nice though yeah
enjoyile chom.
I did enjoy because there was boys around, you know.
Okay.
It type nje.
Type of
Type
everything.
Like multitla ubona type yakho. Ayibo
Ubona type yakho.
uyahamba welo.
Awuthika.
Uyayishake. Mawuthi uyayishake. Mawusathi uyaconcentrate like mawusathi like uzama ukuba ulo yasiso serious. I type ekudlula le yathi.
And an extra says mina ngifuna ukubona bese enganisiba sonke yazi.
Sizoba
Because nginotha. No angithi umile uyavakasha mina ngiyazi ukuthi uadi. Ula and like ngifeel ngathi mina so far ne it was supposed nayi ngisho kanjalo but uadi so far ngathini ngize ngasho abosibongizela mathi bathi asabeni open uqe France ngathi ngikhona kuhamba ngana adi phambi kwami because ngifeel ngathi
Ivibe.
Thomi khona lento leya ngathi umdinga la
So jwayele ukuba nayo. Yeah.
so let's ngithi njenge 31st nginjwayele lonke engathi ngifuna nje sisonke especially wena we free hand ngifuna
Ngibona yena nje namdise.
Nizosibona le style. Ngithi bona this December siqala nemonth.
yes
As guys bekani imali cause lo nyamuzwa
December.
cause next year guys the girl is not around. It's going to varsity. So yeah.
Zabu bilecaca manje
Kumele nje ni prepare nje because the content nje drop nje next year. Ingozi ni prepare nje ne asambeni. Angazi ukuthi ngizoyapi but then the girl deserves to go to Eastern Cape or Cape Town guys.
Okay.
I'm not that cheap. To go to TUT never.
okay
Never TT.
it's nice guys siyambonga lo nini ngathanga hamba no angathanga
Ngiyazwa late abani.
engathanga hamba
Guys mangahabi ne. Mangahabi ne. Mangahabi ne.
Mangahabi singena pizza mzala ngoba siyakusha
Mangahabi ne. Mara ngiyazithemba guys.
Siyazithemba shuni
Nguni.
yeah
Oh,
but it's
snake.
nice that's so nice so yeah if 31st is running guys means video is busy on so
Guys
enough about
groove. Yeah, groove with our family without boys. There is no.
yeah without boys no
It's not.
so yeah since we spoke about our groove that time I think we spoke about it you can go to our I think which episode I forgot it but please guys watch all of them yeah usayikhumbula ke is that this we spoke about our groove that day so we just wanted ukuthi uname today asho because uthi uqine nge-free hand this only i-31st nge-free hand vele and she never spoke about that so that's why ngithi today nje she want to tell you guys ukuthi
idle i31
free hand mara this yeah
yo
Free.
yakha
Be prepared.
just
Back beside you.
I'm so shy
Outfits,
So,
yeah,
yeah.
outfits.
siyokushaya
So, guys, with the topic layers, like it's not actually a topic, it's a discussion, okay? So, guys, okay, njengoba like niyazi around South Africa ngeke ukuthi is Matatele or something. So, guys, kunomntwana ne 7-year-old girl. I'm sure like nibonile guys, it's been trending, but justice for Cwecwe, something like that. So guys, kunomntwana right, like mengibheke today ekuseni because izola ngizange ngithola isikhathi because ubhuti we-Wi-Fi uhamba nayo-Wi-Fi ngo-20 yanyakaza nje
Nyakaza i-Wi-Fi
guys
hamba
makahamba la bhuti angisana next nami sengumuntu nje ngayi. So guys, okay, ngibheka today ekuseni yathola ngiyabona man sign petition hayibo ngiyazibuza
sign one
ngipostile TikTok justice for Cwecwe ngiyazibuza hayibo manje ubani lo Cwecwe hayibo sidlulile phela ku Big Brother manje ukuthi hayi please vote for Sweet Guluva hayi manje sekuze please sign petition for Cwecwe. So guys ngizococela kabanzi as niyaz before ngixoxa lo you wanna know
I don't know
okay bantwana bami
mamele
Sibabele go
ngizokushaya
gogo
okay guys asiphume lapho kubogogo lento bale isibas right endivuleni ihlebe nimamelini. So kunomntwana we 7-year-old girl from Matatele. So okay mncane guys benza grade 1 last year actually le indaba le ihappen last year because benganayo yazi amaphoyisa ase-South Africa there's no action been taken so khona manje lo mama lathi yazini angeke ngihlale without injustice isave kumntwana wami so guys okay ucwecwe una 7 years ungena kuphi eBergville College okay sharp like nambe ngimangela ukuthi okay Bergville College wonder kwenzakalani because ngiyabona ngithi uyazi nawe mangena ku TikTok FYP yakho ngoba nje ngento ezintsha okay ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay because bengizibuza justice for Coco justice okay it's okay let me
get to the point my sister
okay umama kacwecwe uye ku podcast ngithola so mama kacwecwe ku podcast uthola ukuthi like bam interviewers yazi so umama kacwecwe uthi ucwecwe beka reachiwe kuphi kuma premises esikolo which is ucwecwe ane ucwecwe like yilento lokuthi udriver ufika late while udriver afika late like udriver masithi umntwana kwamela amlando ngo2 guys we know ama transport
yeah man
obvious okay mangathi udriver because udriver bekangekho kufana nawe chomi like i-transport yakho like uyagula obvious anike i-stop i-business wamele u-hand over to someone i-taxi lakho ukuthi akuranele i-business yakho while wena ugula because angazi ukuthi le driver bekwenzakalani ngayo so ngibeka kanjalo so okay sharp umntwana bekumele apick up by 2 o'clock right umntwana we7 year old so bathi kunalethi caretaker yalapha esikolweni so lo caretaker leyana ne guys icleanisa abantwana while abantwana laba baclean cwecwe uthi yena while she was cleaning uzwa ivili liyasha obvious ivili malisha guys which means bakwenza ube dizzy we all know that with ivili malisha you become dizzy then uyangithola so umama kacwecwe uthi umangale like umama nomntwana ba experience i-rape at the same time like i-rape like angithi at the same time because umama experience na 20 umntwana 7 years so umntwana guys urape so like kunalento le obvious umama wakho guys umntwana omncane kunalento le ukuthi umzali like angikazi nabi angithola ukuthi ayi oburapiwe ngeke like obvious umntwana everything kumama wakho uyagula noma like ungashawa ngaphandle like uthola ukuthi maybe akulimazi uyagula kumama wakho la ngithola so okay ucwecwe bamrapile esikolweni obvious umntwana akakwazi ukuzikhulumela uzothini uyagula which asazi ukuthi uprincipal or ucaretaker so umntwana babamrape kanjalo abamrape kuphi phambili kakhulu which ba rape emuva kakhulu so umama wakhe bekangayazi ukuthi umntwana urapiwe until aya emaphoyiseni isimanje esibhedlela bamtshela ukuthi lo mntwana urapiwe because mama lo uthi umntwana bekathi makahlala phansi azwe emuva amtshela ukuthi mama kubhlungu be obvious mama kubhlungu pulse or something obvious umntwana makayi toilet athi mama kubhlungu ucabanga something umzali ngiyacabanga ukuthi hayi ngarapiwe because
ematron nezinkinga zomuntu akhuluma ngama-pals what are pals nalamazenzi omunye bekathi phuma igazi endlini
Johnny lapho kuyazi lento le
explain
Johnny pals ne like wakwabona okay zazo like wakwabona mawuvisi like esi white kakhulu like mouse la angithi abazali bathi mawudlisa inkosi white kakhulu kuba nalento ukuthi mawuthi kunga like kube buhlungu like kube buhlungu then lo mntana lo like bebecanga ukuthi experience lento lezi izinto obviously into le ibuhlungu guys especially la umntwana kune treatment kumele bamuphe yona
so ama-pulse is just ukuthi nje kubuhlungu
like kuyile nto man ela ukuthi nje ngizokuchazela mngani ayibo njengesitaba ngizokuchazela sithu ngichaze kumakhamera
ngizokuchazela not omunye nje bekathi uphuma igazi angi-understand
nje me ama-pulse like ayadamage like sometimes ayadamage so mntana lo yadamage yacho yazi ngizokutshela esitaba
Chomi inkinga zomunye like athi unama-pulse athi uphuma igazi yabo so I was like liphumelani kwenzakalani so they being understand but I think
ngizokuchazela ke So umama ayise umntwana which is umrola ngengubo then umisa esibhedlela. Mawafika esibhedlela obvious umama like obvious umntwana lo umdala ngeke akwazi ukuyikhuluma like mncane like angeke akwazi ukuyikhulumela kumele akhulumele ubani umama. Okay bangena eroomini umama athini umntwana uyagula. I-doctor ithi yamsearch umntwana athi akukho obuhlungu la kubhlungu ngale abathi bamuthi inyama iyawa umbobo mkhulu emuva. So ungahleki
Iyakiboba ngithi that's
boshi ngizomshaya lo
imbobo yayo
Jila kimi mzala.
ikule mbobo kasibona
ngizofaka isibhaq uphi umntwana lo itshitshi le itshitshi. Okay guys, mamelani guys, indaba is serious, very serious, and we need to send the petition. As I send the petition, nani ngomuni send it guys. Okay, like lo Dr. Lamtshele vele ukuthini guys, lento le is beyond my control. Ngikwazi lo mntana lo is being sexually assaulted, which is rape. Umama athini aphuma ngaphandle akhala cause what now you experience i-rape. So uyayazi into ukuthi i-rape injalo. I-rape into like eyamoshela umshado because athi before athi like ashade le ndoda le wathatha isikhathi ukuthi like bathanda because like wait babelalana athi uyangirape because ile nto le ukuthini uye like yamenzeka like umdala phela lo ya 20 years guys asinto kudlala 20 years girl asinto kudlala uyangiza uyiphathe kahle please rape. So guys, okay.
Your 30 years is not too.
Nah, tomorrow I'm paid. You're getting like 16 years. 16. You're 16, me.
35 is not a joke, Chum. Don't take it light.
Okay, Chum. Tell guys. I'm gonna be talking about it because nababukeli bethu kwamele vele bayisayine le petition ukuze kuthini i-justice ibe served for uCwecwe. Okay guys, so uCwecwe angijoking ngitshela ngithi ngasesibhedlela. So okay umama akhala makaCwecwe. Okay mama kaCwecwe makakhala kanjalo kenzeka ukuthini babuyile ngaphakathi which is private hospital abadingi abantu be-rape guys. Like abadingi ngabantu abasexual like assaulted ngeke nje bakufunele i-social worker nto. So umama makayisukumela uthi guys ngicela i-justice for mntana uya emaphoyiseni like ukubonakala ukuthi amaphoyisa wala ayikho into ayithatha serious yonke into ekibo it's likely. So by guys angeke ngithi mangize police station i-case yami ibambe uwe wena usayifuni manje uyithatha ngathi nje into okudlala uyinika u-obi i-obi naye akasayifuni phela le case ayinika usiqameza
my case
usibosh anika ubhedela lesho Chom izwa kunamakhisi omunye ukuthi you know what le is a serious case guys. Angeke honestly speaking angeke sithi umuntu waye like nami mangaba iphoyisa ngadila ngale case because uyezwa umntwana wa 7 years old ngayimela lokuthi bathi bamrepile bese bathi uoperapiwe umuntu engimazi like guys ngabanye abantu ukuthi lo urapiwe angeke uvume nawe ukuthi lo urapiwe no. Okay guys asumele lapho angizange ngathi ophi bengenza example. Okay so guys manje like lo mama uhambile isikhathi eside aya kuma Department of Education mind you nay iphoyisa but mama khona
Beka private
like mama umntwana iphoyisa
private or
chama like iphoyisa le private iphoyisa private. Okay maybe nangazi le private. So guys obvious mawumzali angeke ube udila necase omntwana wakho bese like angeke ube iphoyisa. Guys mafika somewhere ubuphoyisa ubukhohlwa obvious umntwana yakho lo kwamele ubeke ubuphoyisa eceleni udile nayo le consequences ekubhekene nawo as umzali. So mama akacoce enzeni ubeke le ndaba lokuthi hey ngiphoyisa mangafika esibhedlela ngabayenza ukuthi badile nale case first wabeka like ubonakala ukuthi uba fair kubanye abantu abasesibhedlela wathatha ubuphoyisa wabobeka eceleni wadila ne case as umzali umntwana. okay so masenza like so mabasenza kanjalo ne uqece obvious umntwana ngisona 7 years old umama wakhe ambuza ukuthi like umama kayi bathroom asale nobabakhe ngoba ke ambuza ukuthi cwecwe kwenzakaleni ngalelanga ubuya esikoleni late manje esikoleni guys esikoleni ngokuya komthetho umuntu olanda umntwana akumelanga abafonele wena or wrong i-transport mayithatha isikhathi like isikhathi siyahamba ngaleso sikhathi okay masithi isikhathi 9 esimanje 5 and umntwana bekumele alandiwe ngo2 kumele kufonelwe bani umzali or udriver shuma
kamele ufonele
umzali uye okumele athathe le ndaba kubi ku-driver athi driver why ungalandanga umntwana because lapha bathe esikoleni abazali babakufonela ngo2:15 manje udriver ofonele ngo
angizibeka besimama yakhe shuma
angithi like ngithanda ukuchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani like lento le like abazali bakufonelwa ngo2:15 udriver bamfonele ngo2:03 you understand
basho ukuthi driver usasendleleni
uzwa bekumele bafonele bani qala umama then bazolandela ngo-driver if udriver naye uyafuneka right so guys okay umama uthi ungahleki yazi yo ayihlekisi shumi okay
nalama viewers lawa yo
okay ithi ngisha okay ithi ngithi
ngena kulama points ashisayo
okay
albelashisa
okay umama akaxoxe guys ne I find out ukuthi udriver ufonelwe emuva okay before ngiya lapho ubakaxoxa uzucoca ukuthi coca kwenzakaleni did fika endlini late amtshela ucoca ukuthi mama ubaba kusososo ubaba usiklinisile ikheteka isiklinisile ton then ngaba dizi ngalala phezulu kwetafula manje iprincipal ayisananga iregister ukuthi ingenile esikolweni mara beyikhona esikolweni so obvious like iprincipal angeke like bayicabanga ukuthi maybe irapile or kanjani but then obvious ukubonakala ukuthi i-caretaker ayenzanga next ivumile ukuthi okay ngitesteni ukubonakala ukuthi angiyenzanga lento but then uprincipal uyala uthini mina ngingiyenze lento and ukuthi into ebhora ukuthi like umama akachaza ukuthi iprincipal izamile ukumthulisa ithini ungayisi phambili le ndaba le sizoyenzani sizobhatala thina as like mina ngizoba responsible for lento eyenzekile esikolweni hayi mama akacoca bona ukuthi
yabona le sometimes ifana nokuthi like ama accident mawenzeka esikoleni if intembi it puts the school down, you know. If kungashona umntwana isikole esishona umntwana akafuni yabona isikhathi se Department of Education sifuna isikole saka Stenhlandla iforest lapho bengifunda khona I think for every year kuyafika umntwana lapho kulesa sikole basically that school it's like now kids don't want to apply there for grade 8 because inendaba embi yabo
still
but effects le
Chom angeke ucabangele isikolo cabangela umuntu orape
but right as a principal ucabangela umntwana uphinde ucabangele
isikolo
iface yesikolo
okay Chom why mo principal angithi principal akayenzanga right yena ngokwakhe uthi akayenzanga
isikolo
Chom mamela nyazi but ngokwakhe ngithi yena akayenzanga why angathathi ke ama tests out like okay ama tests futhi uyambuza like into ebonakala ukuthi i-caretaker isho ukuthi ayenzanga lento le iziyasho ukuthi by interview bathi so wena ufila kanjani makwenzeka ithi angiyenzanga and uprincipal umani ungibuza ngale indaba le yokuthi ama samples ahamba kanjani lapha ya and uprincipal like uyazama ngakonke ukuthi lo mama lo like angatake action man
sabela isikolo
uthi ngiyazi ukuthi obviously lento le
principal is like umphathi you know fana ni president inkinga makanazo like you understand how principal you understand their position ka principal
yeah to like
I'm
like bengafuna ukuthi
fana na se freedom if umntana angashayisa imoto lapha kula freeway leyana bayothi principal bekayenzani in principal bayo principal board nomzali uzofuna ku principal but angeke baye ku let's angithi wena nje cabangela lento principal ayenza i wrong but principal understand uyi-face yesikolo
Chomi, I understand that, ne? The point.
ucabanga isikolo.
Chomi, ne? Okay. Nami as a principal, bengizocabangelani isikolo. But then, ukhomba ukuthi angiyenzanga lento. Why bekangathathi ama-test simple lento iqedwe i-case ingazaqhubeki iye kuphi because uma makacoce she struggled uplana nokuthengisa indlu for umntwana ukuthi athole i-justice which is not right. Futhi nobani noJominique uze wakhuluma ukuthi you know what, justice must be served. Usomezwa thini, you know what, ngizoba siza ngokuthi i-justice itholeke, ngizobhadala ama-expenses wasesibhedlela. Chomo, okay, i-principal ngithi nayo ucabangela repetition yesikolo, cabangela umntwana ukuthi ufila kanjani.
Uyamcabangela but
Chomi, angeke ucabangele lento le is simple and nice. Lento is simple, sicela uthathe ama-test uyathatha. Chomi, uyazi
shukuthi-ke mabayenza kanjalo maningi ama-blame abafikile bangawa-entertain.
a lot is happening behind the scenes at Sena Police Station.
That's why Chomi,
That's why ngisho
yazi ama-principal
connection.
izinja lezi.
Siyitshele mina. Khona esinye story engisaziyo ne engisaze enebengilapha phambi kwazo. Nje kuleyo police station baba uphisa umama nginya wasejaridini. Umama mbika khona lapho bebafuna lonke ijaridi kwabona bafuna lonke ijaridi. Ngahamba nabo lapha. Mabahamba lapha bekuyingathi detective, so like angithi case ne i-case Chomi mawufika e-police station khona lo sisi loya uyakubhala vele from a case. I-case isuka from lasisi iye ku-detective, from i-detective iya komunye umuntu, from lo muntu iya komunye umuntu iye court kuningi. So yana skathi ku-detective, i-detective uyabribe uthi lethani lo sisi lo ukuthi nginganibophi lethani ama-1,000 yonke, and kwabona bayathuka abantu abadala ke babanika imali le iphelela lapho kuleyo case, then uyayidla lo mali ayidla nalo laba bamshayile lo, yabo. Sithi ngithi ezinye izinto ne ngifila ngathi ne awungeke u-understand nje manje khona lento ukuthi wena uhamba uyobopha abantu balethe la e-police station, you ain't a detective, like you don't nalesasiphamu lesa une-right ukuthi udubula mase kuthi hey awudubuli nje. So that's why ngisho kanjalo. So mina ngiyakubeka ngithi wena you on the angithi wena nje like I understand uyabalekela le question so ngiyaexplainela kanjalo because wena ukulapha ku-uniform wena awukho ku-detective, you don't deal with cases, you are on the
constable.
Yeah, you know,
constable.
You're on the constable local, yeah, local. So ulapho but you can't do anything, but you want
awuna power yokuthi
awuna power, awuna next umile mara uyibona lento ukuthi yo awuna next awuthi detective.
Yeah.
Udila ngamaphepha nokwasayina ubabhala inkinga zabo uzise ku
ngitshonela ngaba ubani woza after 24 hours
nje
woza after 24 hours sibonga ukuthi uyenzele
imari uyayigcikelela ne but akazi ukuthi ayenze because wena awuyishi points. That's why ngithi izibeke kule
mina like ngokuya kwami mama ka okay uyivulile case
Chomi uyivulile kunini from last
year case noma Chomi okay shapho uyivulile last year makaye e-court abatsho ukuthi e-court okay shapho amaphoyisa wafuna uku-attenda i-case yami e-court bazobuza lo principal angeke uzothi Chomi e-court ke ngiyenzanga ngikuthatha ama-test so phambi kwabanye abantu abazoba bakubukele kanjani
Chomoza ngitshela ukuthi
ngathi bazothi sibasa bazali besikolo bonke
bangazi bathi le case hand wethu provision ton nayo imili cabanga ku-provincial
angeke Chomi ime i-case yeah Chomi akhona ne but wena mongayigcizeleli i-case yakho izoma sho ukuthi mama makaxoxe umile makayigcizelele i-case kuze
Chomi akamanga ngitshela uzenza la ejobheni
bayayivala i-case
sho ukuthi every time le case yakhe
Chomi that's angithi amanye ama-case ayavalwa, you know, that's angithi yabona
mara I get your point
nale point ekasigomeza lena i-right ukuthi maybe u-principal nama-connection
nami ngicabanga like nami Chomi bengiyibhekile like la video lomama ngachaza nami ukuya ngami bengithi maybe lo principal unama-connection because bambiza ngithi emithini nton wathi yena angeke ngize watshela abantu base-department of education angeke ngize.
That's why ngithi khona ama-bribe
makaboshwe once
Chomi
yena makaxoxe mina iphoyisa bengambopha ngimhambise juvenile straight sengisho juvenile labantwana correctional service like yona leyo Sun-City nje
angithi principal loyala kusho ukuthi unama-connection
Chomi noma ngabe
Nje mshuthi principal nana babangamfaka ejele
mina
uzophuma
ngokuya kwami uprincipal okay sharp mina ngokuya kwami necho mina like ngalento ukuthi okay sharp uprincipal bamdry bathatha ama-test adrakekile bese ke ama-test angithi azokhuluma basho ukuthi okay sharp nawo ama-test bongafuni ulona siyakenza so like Chomi umuntu maybe like Chomi maybe somewhere
phela wena ziphoyisa ukuthumela omunye umuntu ayonza something still uyangena naku-cell
Chomi yazi ne
like maybe mina ngikhuluma naphoyisa akafukeza so ngikhuluma ne-detective okay i-detective akafukeza so ashenze so ukuthi sithole ukuthi uyena if case akhona
sayifana nonurse unurse naye uba inkingeni nje efangenza into engahambi ngendlela
Chomi yazi ne ngiya-understand like ipoint yakho like ukhona umuntu ukuthi bambophe today kubona ukuthi yabona le case is serious late uyambona nanku uyahamba free futhi esitratini
yazi Chomi these days ama-police station amaningi kusebenza imali train
500 nje uyaphuma nje endleleni walk bathi buyele emuva sikubuyiseli
azikubuyiseli
mangale nangu umuntu walk free futhi akathuki manje nawo amaphoyisa gijimani hayibo gijimani nesethi gijime yena so uyabona
but into enginothile futhi ukuthi like ngathini ama-police station nawo anama-bribe amaningi
like I think like
amaphoyisa like ngobheka kwami ayikho imisebenzi abayenzayo angazi ukuthi kwaba khona okay sharp
ama-case
ayufana namanje Chomi from club uzesekuseni bayibeke esayide ngakho bafuna manje amaphoyisa ukuthi bayothatha action
Chomi kunala makhosi like kunala ma-case ukuthi i-case i-useless i-case bathi utshontshile e-Shoprite uzobona amaveni hayi bathi nayo itsotsi ingenile e-Shoprite akunayo veni ezongena like itsotsi serious babona ukuthi hayi nabo abantu ba-athekile e-Shoprite bagcwele ngeke bazi mara lawa useless ukuthi hayi mama ka-ophi nangishayile lapha esitratini bazoza hayi nangu baba ka-ophi ushayile angeke bazi kwindoda because bazi ukuthi indoda izowongeza kibo yile thing nginothile because like nami like ngiyadlula lapho ukuthi
ukuyabanothi ukuthi abaningi abadubuli
because let's pamlesa like babaphila ama-rules awudubuli
makwenza so uyadubula okay yeah awudubuli okay sharp mina like ngesikhathi basifundisa okay I don't remember okay bathi nebaseni atheke umuntu bathi bamba nyusa izandla ebhokweni once wena wayenza action ungathi ukhipha something bayakudubula because why you protecting yourself
so mina self defense khona ne self defense
mara self defense emaphoyiseni
Chomle waza ngitshela
bheka uzothi
nithi wena like maybe like awazi ukuthi la muntu ukhipha ukudubula then go self defense mara bona ngokwabo la case leyazi ngithumle ufana nayo like maybe mina ngiyakushaya ungihlabe amaphoyisa ngeke sayithatha eziloku self defense kuwo bayithatha ngathi vele bofuna ukwenza ngibulala
ngithi Chomi yazi nginothile ne it's not like ngiyazi I just thought like amaphoyisa amaningi it's very good about to build more strategy ngiyoza bathi self to promote
naye ayithothi yakhe uma unibona itori
mara lesasibabusela uyasibona nawe siyakuthusa but it's just so rare ukuthi umuntu asithi hayibo naleso story angazi ngisize angazi bebe nikena ngisizwa
mina angikazi mina kudala nje izinto zenzeke ekhasi lami like amathosa akhe jimiswa
even yafika mara that's why I feel
like amaphoyisa useless ayikho nje into abasiprotecta ngayo
mara ngifuna ngathi vele useless because bona abasebenza evenini madoda lapho but I noticed ukuthi abantu abane-power ama-detectives because detectives have ama-files and cases and deal with cases.
Yeah, because
those people, every detective,
that's why ama-detective asebenza nama-principal kakhulu.
Yabona i-detective yabona Chomi my men alama-phoyisa lawa agcoka uniform mighty shoot bayashoota because i-detective ine-power.
Ithe shoot. Beno nabatatazela wangashuthi uzomtshela kahle ukuthi ungashuthi.
Ungashuthi. Leza ngithi bamele lo mkhulu phezulu mase kathi shootani. or antshele le phela manihamba banifika lapha nathi noma ubani enizombona angena lapha because ungaphakathi eshopini ozozama ukugoloza to plan like kuba nama permission
yeah I understand that because I'm a detective I feel like bane power kuna everyone like ibaba ngahendle case because I detective nema ngayenza because I detective chuma ngayenza ne like when losing case akoma ngathi stop the case right now dismiss it uyayeka case
uzoyenza maybe basho leyo nto the same thing
uzoyenza
hey yeah so like
so guys nani wasayina ama petition babukeli
hey marriage justice guys iyadingeka guys to be
so mafuna ukusayina I petition
isikole makaxoxa isikole mastoyitoke
Chomo already abantu sebaqalile like ukutoyito ematateni betoni
makaxoxa
then abantu like nanoma like i-caretaking ayiyenza already wena seyinikile ngithi ama-test ayinike basaphela i-caretaker
shukuthi i-caretaker nje seka-right
ngokwakho i-caretaker seka
okabona yazi why Chomi
manje banoshisipere
like umntwana akazi
yazi why ngisho kanjalo Chomi yazi why ngisho kanjalo Chomi kufana nasempile bona lento le mina nto engibona ngakhona ngamaphoyisa ifana nasesikolweni Chomi umama kuzoya kuthisha athi uthisha let's wait for the principal indaba is serious mara umemuthini let's wait for the principal fana nalapha anozofika police station ubone le assist lo uniform athi abhale case akabhale case akathi let's wait for detective bani so come must nimela u detective athi no let's wait for commissioner lo mkhulu you know because fana nokuthi umsebenzi omnjalo like ngiyabo nihamba
like yabhora cause uthola ukuthi wena lento le like uthi ngekesa like bayisolve manje but wena bazothatha isikhathi kulumela isibani thola ukuthi isibani khona manje asayogeza oluhle lapha ulandile since uvuke ngo8
amanye bahamba ngesikhathi mina politician ngathi ba so comfortable you know but my say ifike u detective of course khona ama detective athanda justice vele khona ama detective athanda imali vele
so unipha i10,000 uyaphuma worry
and ngapha let's say nakakaholi during the week in month end kude kanjani abathi nike leyo mali ke so ivala the case when case ivaliwe and my fikile u detective une power kuyivala like
cause noma makaxoshile ukuthi like I-case ngiphe usibani athi mina ngiphe usibani ayisekho kimi nalama ngafika ukuthi hayibo ayisekho kimi ngiphe lo ya ukubonakala ukuthi like le case ayisekho serious azasho ukuthi cela once nivale le ndaba ayisekho nje into esiyenzayo la mina I-justice ngizozitholela ngokwami
ndethi abanye abantu bathi amaphoyisa abawasabi I know sesithi abantu abaningi abasaba amaphoyisa like abantu abaningi abasaba amaphoyisa should be like even ayibathusi and mina like yangizuza yo angithandi nje nephoyisa but mina ngifila ngathi nje abantu abaningi like nje from park nje bangatshotsha abawasaba amaphoyisa uthi nalabo abatshotshwa ama-cables abawasaba amaphoyisa guys bayifamba bhaca
abangani babo
ngisho abantu abaningi abawasaba amaphoyisa
abanye abantu abathethe ama-truck basebenza ngabani namaphoyisa
mara
uthola ukuthi umuntu uzolandela
nawo ukuthi like abantu abaningi abawasaba amaphoyisa
vele baningi
phela umuntu angashaya manje akugwaze akanandaba ukubona amaphansi lanjani bayaphinda babuye wabize ubethi amaphoyisa ngabiza amaphoyisa wabize
abangani bami lapho azakutshela straight abangani bami lapho
so it's like it's abantu abaningi abasaba
ama-correction
so guys justice must be served for ucwecwe
it must be said
incane for experience rape